Innovations come and go. Everything is in motion. This is especially true of the last 60 years. There is actually no technology that will not be improved one day or become completely replaced by a new one, a better one, and that's good. We call this progress. It secures our prosperity as people and certainly as a company. Many say standing still is moving backwards. This was already the case in the past and is even truer today. We at WashTec have understood this and reacted to it. We have digitized our processes and created a completely new concept, a digital concept that fits perfectly into our time, the requirements. It must be smart, convenient, innovative, and above all, easy. That, by the way, was anything but easy. We have placed people, their new digital habits, and of course their smartphones at the center of our reflections and ideas. The result has got a name: EasyCarWash. 100% digital, 100% convenient. A revolution in the car wash business, for customers and for operators. We developed this digital concept even though no one ordered it, just like many decades ago in the south of Germany, when we invented the automatic car wash system.